Jamie Spears is threatening to expose private text messages that he illegally obtained surveilling his daughter during her 13-year conservatorship. Allegedly. This is coming from court documents filed by Britney's lawyer, Matthew Rosengart. Oh, and he also calls Jamie Lynn Spears a puppet for Jamie Spears. Let's get into it. The main purpose of this filing was to get the judge to deny Jamie Spears more money from Britney. But in it, Matthew Rosengart went in on all of the conservatorship abuses and the ways in which Jamie Spears has used the court to bully, harass, and intimidate his daughter, Britney. He calls out Jamie saying, he knows that he was directly involved in monitoring his adult daughter's text messages in real time and contemporaneously for years during the conservatorship, including private communications with her children and sacrosanct attorney-client privileged communication between her and her former attorney. Right here is where they discuss the text messages. We would welcome the opportunity to discuss these tactics in closed court. Suffice to say, they include ongoing, disgraceful threats to expose private text messages. Ew, Jamie. This paperwork is also calling out Jamie Spears and his lawyer for blocking Lou Taylor and Robin Greenhill from being deposed. Both Robin and Lou have been avoiding deposition for over a year now and keep rescheduling at the last minute, at the 11th hour on agreed-upon dates. Rosengart also says the 13-year conservatorship was born in bad faith from the outset in violation of basic principles of California law. He says Britney was placed in the wrong type of conservatorship and that Jamie entered this business deal with Lou Taylor already owing her $40,000, which was a conflict of interest. These documents also claim that Jamie and TriStar made $24 million on a tour that Britney didn't want to go on. Oh, and big shocker, Lou Taylor wanted to be instated as a trustee on Britney's personal trust that she set up before the conservatorship even happened, the SJB Trust. The SJB Trust is where Britney put all of her assets in 2004 in order to protect them. Literally everything she owned, bank accounts, planes, furs, whatever, it was all in that trust. That trust was not a part of the conservatorship, but now Lou Taylor was trying to get control of it when the conservatorship was going. Rosengart is also calling out Jamie and Lou for trying to install Jamie Lynn Spears as a trustee and attempting to get her to take the place of someone who was actually qualified. And I quote, who unlike the experienced existing trustee had literally no experience in serving as a trustee. And another quote, the purported resignation was an attempt by Mr. Spears and his cohorts to reap monetary benefits from the conservatorship with Jamie Lynn in charge as their puppet. Rosengart also calls out Lou for misappropriating Britney's funds in order to cover her own legal fees. Yes, you heard that right. Lou spent over $153,000 suing a Free Britney supporter because she said that person defamed her own personal name. All right, Rosengart, earn that paycheck. Oh, that's right. He's actually working for free now, allegedly. Justice for Britney. Go get him.